Welcome to Chef Henry Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Jamaican brown stew pork. I have nice pork chops, fresh thyme, ginger, green onion and a regular onion. Meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning and allspice and a mixture of pork seasoning. Browning, and browning is just used for coloring. I'm going to start cutting up the pork. Time to add seasoning. I'm going to start out with a tablespoon of meat seasoning. And the same for the jerk seasoning and all-purpose. I'm going to add my pork mix seasoning, just half a tablespoon. And for the allspice, a few grains. And I'm also going to add some crushed allspice. I'm gonna add just a few tips of browning. I'm gonna massage the seasoning in and I put my gloves on. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Time to cook the pork. I'm gonna get my pot onto my stove. I am using my famous Dutch pot and this is what I'm going to use to stew the pork in. I added vegetable oil in the pot. I am adding the last pieces of pork into the pot and I'm just shaking off all the green seasoning. I'm gonna add them after I finish frying up the pork. I'm gonna place the cover on and let the pork fry up for 20 minutes to get the color. I am going to add 2 carrots into the stew pork. Time to add 2 cups of warm water into the pork. I'm going to add the green seasonings. Follow up by the carrots. Time to give a quick taste, and this is the point where if it needs more seasoning you can always add more seasoning. I'm going to place the lid on and I'm going to let the pork cook for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to check on this stew pork. I'm going to do a quick taste. and everything tasted so good. I'm gonna place my lid on and I'm gonna let it cook down for the final 5 minutes. I'm telling you, you have to subscribe to this channel after you see this video. My brown stew pork is finished cooking. My brown stew pork, it's on a plate and I serve it with rice and peas. This stew pork recipe, I am going in for the taste test, but I'm afraid to eat in front of you guys because I want you guys to make this dish. But I'm going in anyway. Everything is amazing. Check out my settings. Well stewed down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would have tons of video coming at you guys once a week. Please check out the rest of videos, and I will put all the links of everything down in the description that you need to know on how to make this stew pork recipe. See you on the next one.